Hello, my friends. I am excited to share this month's Fold It Club set with you because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Sorry, I had to do it. I could not do it, but sorry. Anyway, this one is really fun because it is named after my mom, kind of, not really. And also, it's the Fold It Club. The Fold It Club is exclusive to our members. So if you are not a Fold It Club member, you have a small window to join to get this set, because once it's gone forever. It will not go on our website, okay? Are you ready? Get set. It is called the Holly Leaves Fold It die. And the best part about this is I did a lot of extra things with this. So let's look at this one overhead because there's a lot of important things here. Number one, I gave you berry leaves that had like the little crisscross on them, you know, like to be where the stem was, or I gave them to you regular. Then I gave you the shadow die. That's the Fold It die, right? That makes the shaped card. Then I gave you a layering die. Then I gave you the real die. So you have those layers you can do extra fun things with. And the stems are separate. The little insides of the leaves are separate. So you could die cut those in a different color or not die cut them and not have them at all. So there's a lot of options on this one. When I first did it, I had the stems on the inside. There's probably a fancy name for those. I don't remember. I don't know. But I had that originally part of the leaf. And then you always had to have that. I was like, no, let's make it more versatile. So it's optional. Now, Fold It Club members, boom, there's one with your name on it. Don't worry. Then you are also getting, I forgot to tell you, you're getting 2 free stencils. So you know me. I don't look at numbers. I just look at design. I don't care about how much things cost me, as long as you're getting a good price and we are having fun, right? Horrible business person, horrible. But you're getting 2 free stencils. And why did I do that? Well, first of all, you're getting this one that you're going to be able to add those stitch marks to your leaves, or add the inside of your leaves, or add little light reflections on the berries. That's boom, right? But then when I made this background set, I originally made all of these fun fun holly leaves, right? I was like, oh, those are so cute. But I then also already had boom, dots to go with it, right? And so I had all of these dots and I was like, oh, look at that. And then I even added some swirls. So these are layering stencils, meaning you're going to stencil one, then stencil the other, and then stencil the other. Now, here's a couple tricks on this. Number one, you don't have to layer them. You could use this one by itself, or you could use this one by itself, or you could use this one by itself. You can only use these two. You can only use these two. You can only use these two. Mix and match and have some fun. But you are getting 2 free stencils. That's a $10 value. Why? Because I love you. Now, can you go buy this on my website? Nope. Only my Fold It Club members get it. Now, the monthly commitment for our Fold It Club is only 3 months. So after 3 months, if you decide you don't like us, which I doubt that's going to happen, but if it does, you can cancel. Now, you're also getting a handy dandy little storage card that tells you a couple ideas, but trust me, my friends, I have so many more ideas to show you, and they're all on my website. So you can go on my website, you can favorite them, you can bookmark them, you can print them if you want to get ideas. It's all up to you. Now, before I show you my samples, approximately 80 to 85% of our shaped card, also known as Fold It card, club members also add on the stamps. If you're in the Fold It Club, there is an option once you sign up for the Fold It Club to add the stamps if you want to. Now, do you have to? No, not at all. But it's only $8 more, free shipping. It ships with your Fold It Club. And the puns are amazing. I also always include a little version of the Fold It set. So let's look at it so you see what I mean. It's a 4x4 stamp set, photopolymer stamp set. Sending Holly Day Cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Holly hugs to you. Christmas blessings to you. Have a holly good time. A fun holly leaf set. And boom, 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 3 little berries to add your little berries on top of that. Isn't that cute? Now, this is an add-on. So if you want to add the stamps, you most definitely can. So go to our website, click on your account, go to your clubs, and there's a little button that says add the stamps, and we can add those on for you for your next shipment. For this shipment, once you sign up for the stamps, go email Faylene at info@thestampsoflife.com and tell her you just signed up for the stamps, but you want this one too, and she'll take care of you. Don't worry. Now, let's jump in and look at all the samples because you're going to fall over. I think this one wins my favorite this time. I always like to find some of my favorites, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. This is the fold over card die. And I want to make sure I open this correctly here because, oh, there we go. Oh, it's a magnet on fancy wancy. Carrie did this one. Look at this. Happy Christmas wishes. Open it up and there you go. Have a holly good time. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at those holly leaves. Pattern paper. Don't forget you can use pattern paper. Here's a gorgeous one using the stencils in the background. So here we have the stencils in the background, stencils on the leaves. So easy peasy. Here's another one, Holly Hugs to You on an A2 card. So this is what I also want you to see. You could do it on an A2 fold over. You could do it on an A2 card base. You could do it as a shaped card because that's kind of like the main version, the main reason to have them, right? You could also do it on a 5x7 card, right? Look how gorgeous that is on a 5x7 card. Oh, I should have also pointed out, look at the background right here. Make your own background paper. And then you can also put it on a gatefold card. This is a half gatefold card. See that red? That's the gatefold card. Look how cute that is. I love that. Ooh, here's some using foil for the berries. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. And it's fun because this set could be vertical. Here's another vertical. Most of the team did it vertical. Here's one that's kind of laying on its side. Vertical, vertical. Oh, here's a horizontal. So you get to make, you get to decide. There's so much option. Oh, there's so many options on this one. Look at our little winter bird. And look at this. It's even a stand up. Oh, hang on. Let me see if I can get it right. Oh, hang on. Okay, I'll hold it for now. A stand up. Look how gorgeous that is. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. Here is another one using that full gold foil paper. Love it. And here's another one. Christmas blessings to you. Isn't that beautiful? Now, oh, there's that background again with those free stencils. My friends, again, if you're in the Fold It Club, whew, sit back, relax, put your feet up. You know one of these already has your name on it. If you are not in the Fold It Club, we do order a few extra each month because we are always getting new signups. People are just learning about us. They hear about me from HSN or whatever. They come to our website, they learn about the Fold It Club, and they finally decide to take that plunge. You know what? Let me just tell you, again, monthly commitment on any of our clubs is only 3 months. Once you're a club member though, the second you become a club member, my entire website, you can see the rainbows and the unicorns and all of that. I'm just kidding, but in a way it is, because as soon as you become a club member, the entire website is on sale. 15% off every single item. Well, does that, yes. Does that include this? Yes. Does that include this? Yeah. Everything. No exclusions. No little asterisk saying does not include this, everything. Club members get a 15% discount every single day, every single item, every single order. Some people thought, oh, is it just the first order I ever place with you? No. It's every order. Hello, you deserve a pat on the back for being a club member. We want you to know you're loved. You also get freebies every couple months. For example, Fold It Club is getting $10 value, 2 free stencils. You also get free gift for joining any of our clubs. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. It's just our way of saying thank you. Now, if you join the Card Kit Club, you get a $25 gift certificate to the website on your anniversary. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club and just watch that video. It explains it all, and you got to go check it out. Okay? Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.